Good day to our lecturer, Dr. Khairina Binti Rosli. We are from Group 3 Eternals, are going to present about revenue cycle of Qatari Mera Fix Shop, which is cash receipt and sales system. Meet our group members. I am Sasankri Subramaniam, metric number 291537. Next, Ong Wai Chin, metric number 294295. Nur Amira binti Awang, 289276. Muhammad Firdaus bin Rizwan, 295620. And Martin Chu Chung Hong, 281189. These are the table of contents of our business. First, background of the business. Second, business process and business activities. Third, copies of the cash receipt. Fourth, table of entities and activities. Fifth, context diagram. Sixth, physical data flow diagram. And lastly, a logical data flow diagram. Let me talk about the background of the business. Qatari Mera Fix Shop is a repair and service shop located at Varsity Mall, University Utara Malaysia, Sintop 06010, Changlun, Kedah. It was founded in the year of 2016 by Inche Ghazali and Inche Azhar with the status of partnership. The nature of the business is repair and service and selling gadgets. The repair and service gadgets such as laptops, printers, PCs and smartphones at a reasonable price. Moreover, they sell gadgets such as mouse, earphones, pen drives and so on, which are needed items for students at a low price. This business aims to meet the demands of local individuals, particularly students from University Utara Malaysia, by providing convenient services within their vicinity, eliminating the need for them to travel to the city. They also receive huge support from students of UUM because this shop made the students' life much easier. Therefore, our group chose the Qatari Mera Fix Shop in this business case study assignment, which focus on the sales and cash receipt system or revenue cycle to understand more about the business activities and the sales of the business. We managed to conduct an interview with the staff of the shop and collect some necessary information related to cash receipt and sales of the shop.
My name is Nur Amira binti Awam, metric number 289276. Next is business process and business activities for Qatari Mera Fix Shop. When a customer visits the store and select the good to be purchased, there is a sale order process. After listening to customer inquiries, the worker will receive the customer order. The worker will check and verify the product request by the customer. Then the worker will key in the customer order data of the product into AutoCompose system. Order already exists in the computer system. The computer system will calculate the total amount of the required sale volume for each item from customer order file. Next, the customer will make payment. The computer system generates the cash receipt and deposit slip. At the same time, the cash receipt and deposit slip are printed out. As a result, the staff will send the receipt to the customer. The computer system will record and keep the detail of the sale transaction and amount in the sale book file. At the end of the day, the owner will supervise, checks and recalculate the accuracy of sale book and cash balance. After checking the accuracy of the entries, the owner will summarize the total daily sales and the deposit slip will be sent to the bank of supporting document for Qatari Mera Fix Shop.
Today, I want to present about the tables of entities and activities. There are an external entity and internal entity respectively. The external entity is the customer and the bank, while the internal entity is the worker, computer, and the owner. The customer will give the order to the worker. The worker will receive the customer order, check and verify the product required by the customer. The worker then key in the customer order data into the AutoCompose system. customer order data is already exists in the computer system. The computer system will calculate the total amount of the required shelf for each item and then update the customer order in the customer order file. The computer system will display the total number of customer orders on the screen of the AutoCount POS system. The customer will make the payment with cash, debit card, or e-wallet. The computer will generate two copies of cash receipt and deposit slip, and then the computer will print out the cash receipt and deposit slip. The payment stores the first copy of cash receipt in the cash receipt file. The worker will give another copy of the receipt to the customer. The computer will record and keep the details of the sales transaction and amount in the sales book file. So the owner will refer the sales book file to supervise, check, and recalculate the accuracy of the sales book and cash balance. The owner then summarize the total daily sales and send the deposit slip to the bank. This is the context diagram. Based on the context diagram, the starting point of the external entity is the customer. The customer will give the order details to the sales and the cash receipt process system. After going through the sales and the cash receipt process system, it will send the deposit slip details to the bank and send back the cash receipt details to the customer.
Now, I will try to explain the physical data flow diagram at Kitarimera Shop. It is representing the actual flow of physical documents, data, and information through the system. The computer system acts as the central hub for processing sales order, handling payments, and recording transactions, while physical documents like cash receipts and deposit slips play a role in the overall sales process. The physical data flow diagram at Kitarimera Shop consists of two internal entities. The first internal entity is the worker. He is responsible to take customers' order along with the payment of the requested product. The worker then inputs the order data into the AutoCompose system to calculate the total sales volume and updates the customer order file if the customer's order already exists in the computer system. After the computer system generates the cash receipt and deposit slip, the cash receipt will be stored in the cash receipt file within the computer system, while the printed cash receipt will be provided to the customer by the worker. The second entity in the physical data flow diagram at Kitarimera Feed Shop is the owner. He is responsible to supervises and checks the accuracy of the sales book based on the daily sales order given by the worker. The owner then summarizes the total daily sales based on the recorded transactions and finally sends the deposit slip to the bank for deposit. For the logical data flow diagram at Kitarimera Feed Shop, it demonstrates the sequence of events and data interactions in Kitarimera Feed Shop sales procedure from order initiation to payment collection, receipt generation, and daily sales reporting. The computer system plays a pivotal role in managing customer orders, generating receipts, and maintaining records for efficient and organized sales operations. The logical data flow diagram at Kitarimera Feed Shop consists of four processes. The process starts when a customer visits the store and selects the goods they want to purchase. The worker, after listening to the customer's inquiries, receives the customer's order from them. In this process, the worker checks and verifies the products requested by the customer to ensure the accuracy of the order. In the second process, the worker enters the details of the order product into the auto-compose system for each item sold to records, calculates, and at the same time updates the customer order data in the customer order file if the customer's order is already existed in the computer system. In the third process, the computer system generates the cash receipt and deposit slip based on the payment made by the customer. The details on the sales transaction, including the payment amount, are stored in the cash receipt file. The worker hands the receipt to the customer as proof of their purchase after the cash receipt and deposit slip are printed out. And for the last process, the owner supervises, checks, and recalculates the accuracy of the entries in the sales book and ensures that the cash balance matches the recorded sales. After confirming the accuracy of the entries, the owner summarizes the total daily sales from the recorded data, providing an overview of the shop's performance for the day. The deposit slip, which contains the detail of the day's sales, is sent to the bank, facilitating the process of depositing the shop's earnings.
Hi, my name is Ong Wei King. My metro number is 294295. I would like to explain the document flowchart of Qatari Merah Fish Shop. There are three internal entities for the shop, which are worker, computer, and owner. First, the customer will visit the shop and give orders to the worker. After the worker receives the customer order, he checks and verifies the product requested by the customer. Then, he key in the customer order into the auto count post system. The computer calculates the total amount of sales product as well as updates the sales transactions and amounts in sales book file and customer order file. After calculating the total sales, it will display total number of customer orders on the screen of the auto count post system. The customer order will be filed. Then, the customer will make payment. After payment made, the computer will generate and print two copies of cash receipt and one deposit slip. The deposit slip will give to the owner, and one of the cash receipt copy will be stored in the cash receipt file, while another copy will give to the customer. After that, the owner supervises and summarizes the total daily sales. The deposit that received by the owner will be sent to the bank. That's all for our group presentation. Thank you for your listening.